Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need NFC enabled now, so go to Settings and toggle NFC on. Make sure your Oppo model actually supports NFC and that your screen is unlocked. Some actions require an active lock. Once done, remove thick cases or metal cards that block the antenna and keep battery above 20% to avoid power-saving interference. Also, make sure device visibility is allowed for contactless reads. This ensures you can read tags and tap payment terminals without delays or failed handshakes. Now you'll read and write tags and set up payments. Open Settings, then Connection or NFC, and choose the mode you need, read/write or payment, because modes determine how Android routes the data. If writing, open a tag writer app, create the payload, URL, text, intent, then place the Oppo's antenna close to the NFC tag, hold steady until confirmed. For payments, add your card in the Wallet app, and make sure the default NFC payment app is selected, so terminals accept your tap. Finish by verifying each action. Confirm the tag write succeeded, or check the payment receipt for successful authorization. For security, enable the secure element or require screen lock for NFC payments so unauthorized taps are blocked. If something goes wrong, first restart NFC in Settings, then try toggling airplane mode briefly to reset radios. Make sure system apps and the Wallet app are updated. If problems persist, reboot the phone and retry the tap, while keeping the tag or terminal aligned to the phone's antenna.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.